Hello, welcome to Scrap Time. My name is Christine, and in this video I'm going to show you a technique using some new Deco foils from Thermoweb. They have come out with 5 new colors. This one is Jade, we have Plum, Silver Shattered, Denim, and a Gold Shatter. And so I'm going to show you a technique anybody can do. So here we have the actual foils. They come in these 6 by 12 things. This is the silver shatter. Here's the gold. It's jade. And I'm going to be using a Thermoweb adhesive runner with these. Because a lot of times when I show you using foils, we're using a laminator. And I want to do a technique that anybody can do. So I'm going to flip through here just to show I added a little bit of foil into my journaling here. That was with the Plum. Keep flipping, see what. Down here, I added a couple of colors. On this page, I was using multiple colors. Then down here, I used some gold and plum and blue just to add to the page. So even when you're finished a journal page, you can always go back and add something else to it if you want. I think that was all I added, and then now we're going to go over here to our work page. So what I'm doing basically is, let me just move my foil, is I'm putting down a line of adhesive and adding foils. But the first one I did just the purple, this one I did purple and blue, this one was gold and greens, and then here I want to show you what happened was when I put it down, I had this part here where you can see didn't have foil, and because this is a really soft paper, when I put it down where it didn't, the adhesive connected to my sheet here and got stuck to it and released off. When I worked on like the acrylic paint area, it didn't matter so much, but because of this paper, some of the tape tore off. So you just have to be careful with the type of paper or base you're working with. So I'm going to just show you solid. So all I'm doing is running my adhesive down, and then you take your foil, rub it over, and it's always colored side up when you're working with foil. And then you take it off. Now there might be some areas like that, but when I feel it, it's not sticky. So what it is because of the paper, it's just how the adhesive stuck to the paper. So that's why you see some white there, because when I put my finger over it, it's not sticky anymore. There's no adhesive showing. But I like to add a few colors. So I'm going to rub it down. And to do this, I don't rub it so much. So I have my adhesive, and then I'm just quickly, so you can see there's some colors, and then I'll go back with another one. And so when we have these ones that have the spaces, that's what I was trying to do up there from where I used it before. And because of this paper, I know, oh, okay, let's just stick with more solid. But because I have that gold in there, now I can start rubbing some color in. And then I can even go in with another color. This one has been used a lot, but it's still there. And I'll just rub it down, and it'll just stick to where it's sticky. So now I can feel it's still a little sticky there, so I might go in and rub it. Now when I'm working on a flat sheet like this, I can usually get it pretty easily to become non-sticky. There, it's not sticky anymore. But when I was working on that other page, on the fabric, if I can find it, this page, because of what I was working on, I had to work a lot more of making sure that it was getting unsticky because of all the texture I did it on. So you just want to run your finger over, and that's how you can get multiple colors of the foil and do some really neat techniques. And then from here, because they're foils, I'm thinking it would be a resist and we can paint over it. So I might try that in an upcoming video. But for now, I just want to show you how you can get foil into your art journals or onto your projects without having to use a laminator. Just use a tape runner and your foils, and you can come up with some really interesting patterns and additions to your projects.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to give our video a thumbs up and subscribe to Scrap Time videos on YouTube. In the meantime, here are a couple other videos you might be interested in watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.